Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Guys, Shiba Inu lost 99% of its value, dropping to 907. Its recent recovery from the abyss has sparked great optimism in the minds of crypto investors and speculators. Shiba Inu family, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell before going into the details. We will growth Shiba, please support by subscribing and turning on the notification bell. We are a strong community. SHIB currently trades at 0.11, down by nearly 6% in the last 24 hours. It ranks in the top 16 crypto coins with a market cap of over $6 billion. Since the start of the year, SHIB followed a steady downward trend with few exceptional peaks over time. It attained in last year in October at 8,845. That's over 87% decrease in 7 months. To bring the uninitiated up to speed, can Shiba Inu reach $1 by 2025? Shiba Inu gained around 46 million % in 2021. Is an encore performance in the works? Dating back more than a century, no asset class has more consistently made investors richer than the stock market. Even though stocks occasionally underperform bonds, commodities, and housing, none of these asset classes comes close to matching the long-term average annual return of the broader market. But things change drastically if you're just looking at the performance of asset classes over the past couple of years. Since the March 2020 COVID-19 pandemic bottom, cryptocurrencies have run absolute circles around the stock market. Whereas the benchmark S&P 500 has pretty much doubled in 2 years, the aggregate value of all digital currencies is up by more than 1,200% to $1.88 trillion. Though crypto's big two, Bitcoin and Ethereum, get a lot of credit for this surge in digital currency market value, it's the historic increase from meme coin Shiba Inu, 0.37%, that has really dropped jaws. Shiba Inu's 2021 gains were historic when 2021 began. Shiba Inu was one of seemingly dozens of Shiba Inu-inspired coins looking to capitalize on the craze that pushed Dogecoin significantly higher. But in less than 10 months, these same tokens would rocket as high as 8,841. Visually, it might be difficult to tell the difference between these two tiny numbers, but between January 1st and October 27th of 2021, Shiba Inu ate up 6 zeros after its decimal point and delivered a peak intra-year gain of around 121 million %. In other words, an investment of $1 at midnight on January 1st, 2021 could have made a patient, lucky investor a millionaire. When the curtain closed on 2021, SHIB tokens gained in the neighborhood of 46 million %. It's a far cry from 121 million %, but it's likely the biggest single-year gain we may ever witness from an investment perspective. As I've previously pointed out, Shiba Inu's historic run was primarily a function of increased visibility in crypto market dynamics. In terms of the former, SHIB benefited immensely from being listed on numerous new exchanges last year. Additionally, the launch of decentralized exchange ShibaSwap in July 2021 helped to improve liquidity and allowed holders to stake their coins. Since October, the median hold period of SHIB on crypto exchange Coinbase has soared from 6 days to 101 days. As for crypto market dynamics, investors should understand that it's a lot easier to purchase derivatives, e.g., put options, on, or short sell, a publicly traded stock than it is to bet against a high-flying but lesser-known digital currency. With minimal avenues to bet against cryptocurrencies not named Bitcoin, an inherent buy bias helped Shiba Inu. Can Shiba Inu hit $1 by mid-decade? With Shiba Inu absolutely crushing it last year, its holders and social media supporters are hoping for an encore performance. In fact, some even believe it could eventually make a run to $1 per token. The big question is, can Shiba Inu reach $1, perhaps by the midpoint of the decade? Before I dive into my view, let's examine the multiple catalysts that would be needed to push SHIB from microscopic fractions of a penny to parity with the US dollar by 2025. To begin with, the public launch of Layer 2 blockchain solution Shibarium needs to occur sooner than later and go off without a hitch. The purpose of Shibarium is to significantly drive down transaction fees involving SHIB tokens. Pushing fees lower will not only make SHIB a more attractive payment option for merchants, but it's also the key step to fueling blockchain-based gaming. At the moment, Shibarium is being tested privately. The next core catalyst is the development and launch of non-fungible token, NFT-based gaming. Although we've already witnessed a handful of blockchain-based games generating significant revenue, Shiba Inu can't launch gaming until Shibarium can be trusted to substantially bring down transaction fees. Once Shibarium is publicly launched, NFT marketplaces can thrive. To add to this point, Shiba Inu's own version of the metaverse needs to be a hit. The metaverse is viewed as the next iteration of the internet, which will allow connected users to interact with each other and their surroundings in 3D virtual worlds. Developers recently announced their intention to sell digital plots of land, known as Shiba Lands, in Shiba Inu's own version of the metaverse. Once again, this is all dependent on slashing transaction fees. Finally, there would need to be some significant coin burn. When Ethereum founder Vitalik Buterin sent more than 410 trillion SHIB to a dead blockchain address, it removed approximately 41% of Shiba Inu's circulating supply. Shiba Inu is a dog breed-themed altcoin that inspired people around the world to invest, albeit in a more speculative manner. According to the token's official website, SHIB is the Dogecoin killer. Last week, Finbold reported that SHIB added over 30,000 new holders between April 27 and May 26, representing a renewed interest in the dog meme token despite its sluggish performance at the time. Shiba Inu. Here's how SHIB could react to the ongoing skepticism in the market after declining below its EMA ribbons. Shiba Inu took a plunge below its 5-month trendline resistance, yellow, dashed. The current structure exhibited a bearish edge despite a break above its near-term down channel, yellow. A potential close above or below the trendline resistance could influence the upcoming trend of the dog-themed token. For brevity, SHIB prices are multiplied by 1,000 from here on. At press time, SHIB traded at $0.01106, down by 5.82% in the last 24 hours. SHIB found a consolidation range between the 2 cents to $0.032 for over 4 months while the bears kept increasing their pressure near the 61.8% Fibonacci level. Eventually, the symmetrical triangle structure saw a down breakout due to the token's previous downtrend. The fall below the golden Fibonacci level registered a 60% drop toward its 7-month low on the 12th of May. As a result, the distance between the south-looking EMA ribbons has been at its record high. With relatively low volumes, SHIB has been hovering near its point of control, POC, red, for the last 3 weeks. With the reduced gap between the lower and upper bands of the Bollinger Bands, SHIB could see an extended squeeze near the POC. A close above the immediate trendline resistance would position the alt for a test of the 23.6% level in the dollar after testing the 33 mark multiple times. The RSI found its way to test its trendline resistance. This trajectory hinted at an ease in the selling pressure. But the recent bearish divergence with the price has added fuel to the bearish fire on the chart. Furthermore, the DMI lines were yet to see a bullish crossover since April. So unless the buyers ramp up the buying volumes, SHIB could see an extended tight phase at the very least. The indications on the chart as well as on the technical front visibly favored the sellers. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.